In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to open Moomoo account Singapore. By the end, you'll know exactly what to tap, what to prepare, and what to expect as your application moves from start to approval. First, download the Moomoo app from the App Store or Google Play. Open the app and choose Sign Up or Open Account. Register using either your email or your phone number and create a secure password you'll remember. Keep your device nearby, because you may receive a verification code during this process. A stable internet connection helps avoid any hiccups. Once you're signed in, start the brokerage account application. From the home screen, tap Trade and then Open Account, or head into the Account section if you see that option. You'll be asked to choose your investor type and your country. Select the option that fits you best, whether you're a Singapore citizen, a permanent resident, or a foreigner residing in Singapore. Picking the correct category ensures the right documents and forms appear for you. Next, verify your email and enter your personal details. Provide your full legal name exactly as it appears on your identification, add your date of birth, and enter your residential address. You'll need to upload a valid ID document, NRIC if you're a Singapore citizen or PR, or a passport if you're a foreigner. When uploading, use good lighting, keep the entire document visible, and avoid glare so the text is clear. You'll also complete an email verification by entering the code sent to you. If you use Singpass, you can opt to autofill your personal information and proof of address to speed things up. You'll then complete regulatory requirements, including your tax residency details, employment status, and a financial information and investment experience questionnaire. Answer these truthfully. They help assess product suitability and ensure compliance with Singapore regulations. Before you submit, review the risk disclosures and terms carefully. Make sure everything is accurate, then acknowledge and submit your application. You should see a confirmation message, such as Application Received. It's a good idea to keep a note of the submission time in case you need to follow up. Now, wait for approval. Most applications are processed within 1 to 3 business days as long as your information and documents are complete and legible. You'll receive an in-app notification once your account is approved. If the team needs clarification, respond promptly to keep things moving. That's it. Download and sign up. Start the application, verify your details, complete the regulatory forms, review and submit, then wait for approval. Follow these steps carefully, and you'll be ready to use your new Moomoo account in Singapore.